Today's tweak is called SwipeSelection Pro. This tweak makes it easy to move the cursor when entering text simply by swiping your finger on the spacebar or keyboard, similar to the feature recently added in iOS 12 for devices without 3D touch. If you're on an older version of iOS, you can use this tweak to accomplish the same thing. In fact, it's backwards compatible all the way to iOS 7, meaning the jailbroken community had this feature way before Apple adopted it in stock iOS. I certainly have been using it on all of my devices throughout the years and find myself lost without it. One place that's especially handy is when I'm entering an address into Google Maps in my car. If I miss a number in the street address or make a misspelling, I can simply swipe back and make the insertion without having to tap and hold, wait, and hope the cursor lands in the right spot. One of the additional features this tweak has is the ability to select text by starting your swipe from either the caps lock or backspace key. This makes it easy if you need to cut and paste text from one app to another. Obviously, you need to use your own judgment when you use this tweak because when you're driving, you should never be taking your eyes off the road to enter text using the keyboard. However, if you're parked or at a red light and it's safe to do so, this tweak can definitely make things a little bit easier when you're entering text off-centered with only one hand. This tweak is available on the default Big Boss repo with a free version and a pro version for just $1.99. I definitely recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.